Hello, here we go. 100 tips for rolling dips. Okay, here's the next tip, right? Rolling dips, they don't always have to drain the whole road, right? A lot of times you just want to drain the road surface, okay? Maybe that's because your ditch is carrying a lot of spring water and you don't want to discharge an enormous amount of water across a rolling dip. Or maybe your dips are designed to pass like vehicles like low bed trailers, so your dip can't be very aggressive or too humpy, in which case it makes it really hard to capture water in the ditch, right? So sometimes they just do the road surface, right? So here, take a look at this. Right here we have a road coming down, and where that piece of T-post is right there, that's a ditch relief culvert, right? So we got the ditch relief culvert is draining that. Then we got just a little chicken foot here that is draining a little portion of the road surface. And then down here, we've got a rolling dip, right? And the rolling dip is what's really going to pick off the road surface. But you see, look, the road, it's only picking off the road surface right here. See, here's the dip. It's low for low beds to go across, right? But there's where the low part is of the dip. Here's the high part right here. You can see the wheel tracks right there. But look, the ditch continues to go by, and it's going to get caught by the ditch relief culvert that's down here, right? So you can use rolling dips in combinations with ditch relief culverts, right?